Reinforced drawing of a member. If you want to have the reinforcement drawing of a specific member, you may select it first. Let me select the beam number 22 and I need to have the reinforcement drawing for this beam. For this purpose, first of all, I have designed its required uh, slab, wall, beams, and column. As already I have showed you in the detailed video. Now I will click the provided reinforcement of RC element for the beam number 22. Now you can see there is another interface. So this is the beam, dimension 9 by 18. Now I am going to design the reinforcement for this. For this, I will just click analysis, calculation, generate drawing for the calculated element and calculate. It is beam number 22 and this is the drawing for the beam number 22. Thank you very much for watching. Let's have the drawing for the column 284, the reinforcement drawing for the column 284. For this purpose, you have already designed the required reinforcement for the slabs, walls, and then columns, beams. Now you will click the from design, click provided reinforcement of RC element. Once you get it, click OK, and then go to the analysis, go to the calculation, and from here you can write the generate drawing for the calculated element, that is the column, and now calculate it. Now you can see this is the columns, section 18 by 18. These are the reinforcement details and the number, everything you can get it from here. If you want to have, you uh, you can pan it. And thank you very much for watching. And these are the enforcement details. 8 number 6 grade 60 bars, 10 number 4 grade 44 the transfers. And this you can see it from here. Thank you very much for watching. Let's select the floor number 31. After designing the required reinforcement of the slabs and walls, you can go to the provided reinforcement of RC element. And this is the slab 31. And you are now going to zoom it. Windows zoom, window. This is the reinforcement. You can see it from here, number 4, and number 4, 9.45, and the details are here. Or you can also go for the results, analysis, calculation, generate drawing, and calculate. Now this is the reinforcement, and you have all the details.
Thank you very much for watching.